style list element from Thrive Architect. So this element can be used whenever you want to create a list on your website, for example, a bullet list, which has a more complex look. So I have this page open right here with an already predefined template added to it. And now I'm simply going to add the element to the desired location on my page. This seems about right. Okay, so you see that by default my list already has a certain design. It's very easy to use it and it's also very easy to customize it. Now from the top, the first thing you can do is to change the icon that's displayed in front of each item. So click on this field and simply browse this list and pick a different icon for your styled list. I'm gonna go with this one. Next, you can use this slider to adjust the spacing between the list items. And then here you can actually customize and add new items to your list. Let's add 2 more items and see what else we can do here. So from this dotted line, you can actually rearrange them. Of course, this will not be visible now given the fact that all of them have the same name, but I'm going to show you later how this changes when you move them around. Another thing you can do here is to delete the items from this trash icon. Now the list comes with a default text like this one, but this can be easily replaced with your own. You simply have to click on the text itself and type in your own version. So this is my list. Let me go back to the main options of the item and show you what I mean when I say you can rearrange them from this dotted line. So let's take the list item 0 and just drag it to the top of the list. You can see that this has been instantly applied on my element on the actual page. Now, there's one more thing I would like to show you here, and that is the group styling feature. Now, this feature allows you to modify all items at the same time, so you don't have to click individually on each of them if you want to change something. And you can access this feature once you click on one of your list items. Let's say I'm going to click right here, and now I'm currently editing the grouped text of my element as shown right here. So what I'm going to do is make all my text items bold and also increase the size. Now the same can be done with the icons. So I'm going to click one icon from my styled list, and now you can see here that I'm currently styling the icons but as a group. So for example, what I want to do here is to change the color. So for that I'm going to open the color field, pick a theme color, and as easy as that I was able to change the color of all my icons. Now, if you're wondering if you can change just one item individually, so not the entire set, you can do that. But you first have to make sure that you unlock it from the group styling feature. Let's say I want to edit only this particular icon from my list. To do that, I'm going to hover over it and then click on this green lock so that it turns red. This means that this particular icon has been unlocked and it's not part of the group styling feature anymore. Now I can go ahead and do whatever change I want. Let's make it black again, and as you can see, this change is visible only on this unlocked item. Feel free to use the other options available here, such as the sizing options. You can also rotate the icon if you want from this slider, add links to it, and of course you can use the more general options available in the left sidebar, for which we do have separate articles and videos in our knowledge base. Whenever you want to go back to the main options of the element, simply select it here in the breadcrumbs, and you can see that now I'm editing the entire element and not just individual items of it. So these are the steps for adding the element to your page and then using it in order to create more complex bullet lists on your website. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to check out our knowledge base where you can find many more guides of this type.